As the US-Iran war entered into a new phase, but the chaos still persists amid a fragile ceasefire. And now, the US military started blocking shipping traffic in and out from Iranian ports that would prevent roughly 2 million barrels Iranian oil a day from entering into the world's market. That would further tighten the global supply. It already poses a dilemma: risk attack from Iranian assets near the Strait of Hormuz, or hold back and hope to catch vessels breaking out into the open seas. The move is the latest attempt by the US President Donald Trump to force Iran into making concessions, including a commitment not to seek a nuclear weapon or the means to build one. Many are discussing what are the implications for oil flows with this latest US blockade. Blocking Iranian shipments would disconnect a significant source of oil from the world's markets. Iran exported 1.84 million barrels of crude oil in March and has shipped 1.7 million BPD in April, compared with an average of 1.68 million BPD in 2025. On Sunday, before the blockade began, two Pakistani flag tankers, Shalamar and Khairpur, entered the Gulf to load cargoes from the United Arab Emirates and Kuwait. A third ship, the Liberia flag very large crude carrier Mombasa B, also transited the strait on Sunday and was ballasting in the Gulf. There are also potentially major diplomatic repercussions to the blockade, especially for the Chinese vessels. It's also worth noting that the CENTCOM announcement of the blockade says it will be applied to vessels entering Iranian's coastal areas. This would include the path taken by many vessels that have so far transited the strait with Tehran's blessings. In any case, the US Navy seizing or boarding a Chinese flag vessel could cause major diplomatic tensions between Washington and Beijing, as Trump is expected to visit Beijing for a summit with Chinese leader Xi Jinping next month.